Elephant. Duck. Alligator. Dog. Camel. Chicken. Bison. Deer. Cow. Husky, a domestic dog breed celebrated for its striking appearance, characterized by a dense double coat, striking blue eyes, and a distinctive wolf-like visage. What distinguishes huskies from other animals is their remarkable capacity for endurance in cold climates, a testament to their Arctic heritage. Their resilient sled-pulling abilities and their unique vocalizations, often referred to as talking or singing, set them apart as not only dependable working dogs but also as captivating, communicative companions, embodying the beauty of the wild in a loyal and friendly canine form.